All right, here's the test for the electrical, 1978. So go ahead and turn the key. And we have the brake light showing so far. And go ahead and show the signal light. We're gonna do the left one first. That's running there. It's running there. All right, do the right. And that one's working as well. Same thing as that one. Okay. And next we will do the lights. Okay, go ahead and put the lights on, the headlights. Everything's on fully. Go ahead and hit the high beams. Those are the high beams. And the signal light for the high beams should be in the dash itself. Right there, the indicator. There's it off. It also has adjustment for the dimming as well. That works. Okay, shut off the lights. All off. Yep. Can you turn the lights back on one more time? This red light back here, I want to show that is actually for your license plate light. And I just hooked it up just to make sure it's working. Even though we don't have the lid here, that's what that's for. Okay, we're gonna show what else works here as well. She's gonna turn on the hazard lights. And it's working in the dash. I forgot to show that earlier. It's also working out here. And back here. Okay, you can shut them off. All right, so we're done with the hazards. Just gonna turn on the fan. The car's still on. The fan works for defrosting if you need it. That works fine. Okay, you can shut it off. And then the button next to it is actually the starter. Let's go ahead and hit it. Okay, I'm gonna go to the back and I'll show you the starter real quick. It's actually an automatic starter. Doesn't require bushing. Go ahead, hit it. Go hit it again. Yeah, it's working good. All right. One last thing that's left would be the reverse lights. So go ahead and put it in reverse. Okay, and see the reverse lights are on. Yep, the reverse lights are both on. And go ahead and take your foot off the brake and press the brake again. The brake lights work just as well. Okay, I think that wraps it up for this whole thing. Thank my lovely assistant. And we can shut off the car. Well, one last thing I'm going to show is the wipers work as well. Go ahead and put it on the first speed. And go ahead to the second speed. So they work well. And there'll be one more thing. One last thing we'll do is the horn. The current horn that came with the car is broken. I'm gonna try to fix it, but more likely it just needs to be replaced. So go ahead and hit the horn. Just want to show that works. Go ahead and let go. Yep, so once you get a horn, it should be just fine. Hit it again. Okay, that's it. Hopefully you liked the video and hopefully we captured everything.